Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the market Cipher B indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader, and you will get access to our custom indicators as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators and strategies when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the market Cipher B indicator. So in the original testing, the market Cipher B indicator was able to achieve an 83% win rate with 6 trades in the 1 year's time. So since it only did 6 trades in the 1 year's time, we did adjust the time frame that we tested this on in the advanced testing. So we put it on the 6-hour time frame, and we adjusted the take profit and stop according. Before we take a look at how we traded this particular indicator, if you would please give this video a thumbs up. Even if it's not a profitable indicator, please don't thumbs down the video. Please give it a thumbs up either way. It helps the YouTube algorithm and makes YouTube happy. When you give it a thumbs down, it makes YouTube unhappy and sad. And so please give this video a thumbs up right now and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. All right, so the indicator you can see down here at the bottom of the screen. So we tested it 2 different ways here on the channel. We're testing it the second way, the part 2. And so the part 2, what we were looking for is when the market Cipher line here, this black line, is above the 0 line. So the center right here is the 0 line. When it's above that 0 line, we are looking for a dot to appear, a red dot to appear. That's going to be our first sign to start looking for a trade. Then we are looking for another red dot to appear a little bit lower than the first red dot. And so as an example, this would be a short trade signal right here. You can also see that we got a short trade signal right here on this one. Even though it is a little bit hard to see, but this red dot here is just slightly below this red dot right here. This one here took place. This one's a tad bit higher. This one's a tad bit lower. Give us a short trade signal right there. Now on the reverse side to the downside here, when the black line is below the 0 line, we are looking for a green dot to appear like this one right here, and then we are looking for a green dot to appear a little bit higher or a lot higher. It doesn't really matter. It has to be below the 0 line, but it appears higher nonetheless. You can see we get an example of that right here, and you can see that would have been a long trade right there. That's how we tested it in the original video. That's how we tested it again here in the advanced testing. So we did the 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we did 31 winning trades and 19 losing trades. It's going to put us at a 62% win rate. So a reasonable drop from the original 83%, but adjusting the time frame may have had something to do with that, as well as changing the particular pair that we tested this on. And so 62% is still a reasonable win rate. It's going to keep us in the winning side here, so it is going to stay on the yes list. So if you're looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the strategy we have developed here on the channel. I'll put a thumbnail up to it right now. I'll also link to it at the end of this video. You'll see the same little thumbnail pop up. You can click on that video, go watch that video, and watch the profitable strategy that we have. It is proven profitable. We're constantly testing it, trying it on new things, optimizing it, tweaking it, just going above and beyond to really make it the best that it can be. We're also working on automating the indicator into a automated strategy, which our patrons at the time will get a discount once we launch that. So a lot of great things going on. Highly recommend you check that strategy out. All right, that's it for this advanced test. Like I said, this one's going to stay on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.